Justin!
Yeah!
It's something else, Beatrice. He sings.
What do you mean he sings?
Just what I said. He sings. Right there on the dock, a whole song comes out of his mouth with motions. You know what they're calling him now? Canary. That's what they call the guy. Flapping around the docks like he was born to fly. Or Blondie with all that golden hair. I tell you, be a normal man ain't got such flair. The submarine is gonna sink if he keeps acting this way. The boys at work, they also think the kid has got to be. Just saying, the guy ain't right. And now he's even keeping Katie out all night. He's dancing, he's singing Paper Doll. And any man will tell you that ain't typical.
So he's a kid. He don't know how to behave himself yet.
And with that crazy hair, he's like a chorus girl or something.
So he's blonde. So I call him Canary. So what's wrong with that?
Beatrice, you don't understand.
He sings while he's working. So who cares? If Katie likes him, then what else is there to worry about? Eddie, just open up your heart.
What's that? The kid is gone.
Just hurt poor Katie. If he
She'll thank me when she learns the truth.
The truth is that Katie loves the boy. Eddie, she's not a little girl.
The submarine is gonna sink.
Let Katie follow her
A call from me and he's taken away.
Listen, you ain't gonna start nothing here.
Beatrice, I'm surprised with you. I keep waiting for you to wake up, but everything's great with you.
Oh, everything